Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. I want to see if we can get a second entry long here. We had a spike and channel down, and I believe it has played out with a break and a new low. Got a triple bottom, pushed pretty strongly off of that triple bottom. And you can see we have two legs up here, and we've got a first entry long. So if we can come back to the EMA, I may be interested in taking a long here. Would also kind of look like a little mini failed breakout of that congestion up there. And coming right back to the EMA now. So let's see if the EMA can hold. Pretty big setup bar. So we'll need a really good signal bar here. And notice where this is bouncing, not only at the EMA, but at that previous support resistance area. Really resistance area, but now it's could act as support. Draw this trend line here. It got a little big. Let's see if this breaks above, and I'll make a decision on it. I'm probably going to have to reduce my target on this. I like that it's big because it's showing momentum, but at the same time it's kind of near the highs. So one tick off its high. I'll just need to get out before the high of that micro uptrend, since this is more of a range type structure now. We traded down into this area overall. So let's see. There we go. It's going to go for 8 on this one. Good, really good follow-up bar right there. You can see. Let's see here. Getting close. And there we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the second entry long and kind of like a visual failed break lower from the tight congestion. And make sure you check out our course on our website if you're interested in trading like we do. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.